Welcome back to an unboxing video with the Clinton Public Library. Today we have some new adult fiction and nonfiction. First we have You by Caroline Kepnes. Next we have Word Gets Around by Lisa Wingate. The Language of Sycamores by Lisa Wingate. And Never Say Never by Lisa Wingate. Next we have I Hate You More by Lucy Gilmore, The Pilot's Daughter by Meredith Jagger, Love in Catalina Cove by Brenda Jackson, Will by Will Smith, Never by Ken Follett, Clive Cussler's The Devil Sea, a Dirk Pitt novel, The Island of Missing Trees by Elif Shafak, The Last Winter by Porter Fox, Entertaining Race by Michael Eric Dyson. We have Wildcat by John Boesnecker. We have a Jack Ryan novel, Chain of Command by Tom Clancy, The Young H.G. Wells by Claire Tomalin, The Education of Corporal John Musgrave, Fauci, Expect the Unexpected, Silver View by John Le Carre, Dear William by David McGee, The Dark Hours by Michael Connolly, Rebel Homemaker by Drew Barrymore, and 100 Science Discoveries That Changed the World by Colin Salter. As always, you can check these out at the Clinton Public Library.